One of the ways you can actually improve the appearance of your skin to promote collagen on your skin for that youthful glowing skin is by properly hydrating and moisturizing your skin. And that is why I'll be introducing you to this Vaseline Expert Care Elasticity Restore Body Lotion. This lotion is very good. It's a good anti-aging body lotion that will restore your skin barrier and promote collagen on your skin for that vibrant glowing skin. And sis, can I review this product so that you will know if this product is worth adding to your skincare routine? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Elo, skincare lover, and if you're not part of my skincare community, I would love you to take out a moment and click on the red subscribe button. Please do not forget to turn on your notification bell. This will automatically get you notified once I drop any content. And if you end up enjoying this video, please do not forget to like. Do not forget to share this to someone that will find it helpful. So guys, do you have dry skin? Do you have extremely dry skin? Have you tried all the products in the market to help with your dry skin and nothing has worked for you? So now in today's video, I will be introducing you to the Vaseline Expert Care. This body lotion is a powerful body moisturizer for a softer looking skin. It also helps to improve elasticity of the skin from the very first use. So this product, it is so good. Now can we talk about the texture of this product? So this is how it looks. This is how the texture is. Very light body lotion that absorbs smoothly into your skin. It hydrates the skin and at the same time repairs your skin. So sis, who am I recommending this body lotion for? I'm recommending this body lotion for someone that wants effective hydrating and moisturizing body lotion to include in their skincare routine. If your skin barrier has been compromised, this is the perfect body lotion to include in your skincare routine. Or if you're someone that have bleached your skin and you want to withdraw from bleaching, you are in your withdrawal phase and you are not more applying body lotion, sis, go and get this body lotion. This will help to restore your skin and improve collagen on your skin. Talking about the fragrance, honestly, I love the fragrance and I absolutely believe that this can work for someone that loves fragrance and someone that does not like fragrance in their skincare product. It has a very sweet smell. It smells like Vaseline regular body lotion, but kind of vanilla mist. A fragrance girly can absolutely find this very exciting. Let's talk about the ingredients used in the formulation. This body lotion is formulated with 3 active ingredients. It is formulated with glycerin, which helps to hydrate the skin, keep the skin moisturized. It is also formulated with the popular petroleum jelly, which helps to hydrate the skin. Also, it is formulated with pro-limpate, which will help to replenish your skin and promote collagen for that hydrated skin. If you want a body lotion that can instantly glow up your skin, like level up your skin instantly, this is the body lotion you should get. I also believe this body lotion is very affordable. I mean, I got this product for 8,500 and honestly, I am loving it. If you want to incorporate this in your skincare routine, I'm recommending you incorporate this product during the daytime. You can start by using your Dove body soap. I believe this is the best body lotion that hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Have you tried this product? Do you know any other products that hydrate and moisturize better than Vaseline? Sis, let's talk on the comments, and please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share it with someone that will find it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, lovies.